simple and symmetrical knot is the Oriental knot, the easiest knot in the world. Let's tie it all together with number 5 in the top 50 knots. Throw our crush tie over your neck with the blade or white end on the right. Flip the tie so the inseam is facing out. Gently slide the tie under your collar like a gentleman. Get the length right by making the tip of the blade about the length of your right hand. Sneak the blade under the tail or skinny end to create the neck loop. Create the front loop by passing the blade in front of the tail. Take the blade up through the neck loop. Then finish the knot by taking the blade down through the front loop. Tighten by pulling up on the back of the blade while pulling it down with the other hand. Cinch the knot by holding the tail and pushing the knot up to your handsome neck. When you're done, put the tail through the keeper loop. If your tie doesn't look like mine, rewind and reduce the playback speed. Voila! You look sharp in your perfect Oriental knot. If your tie is too short to cover the button of your trousers, get the length right at the start by making the blade longer, or shorter if it's too long. The Oriental knot doesn't take a lot of length, so it's perfect if you struggle with your ties being too short. But the greatest benefit of this knot is it's the easiest knot to tie in the world. Make your knot look its best by using a tie with a thick inner lining and pairing it with collars that are smaller and skinnier collar points. Interestingly, the Oriental knot has more aliases than a secret agent. The Kent knot, the small knot, petit nœud in French, the simple knot, and the red knot. I'm wearing my navy wool made-to-measure suit with white cotton shirt and matching trousers. I've added some color with our crush tie and an orange floral cotton pocket square folded with a puff fold. I've matched my watch metal to my initial cufflinks and the watch face to my black belt and Oxford shoes. Finally, I'm smelling like summer with my usual fragrance, Coach for Men. Drop a comment where you're thinking about wearing this knot. You can learn how to tie this exact knot over your hand with this video here, or elevate your suit by folding the puff pocket square with this video here. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button so you'll remember me next time you need to tie a tie. And as always, gentlemen, keep looking classy. I'll see you at the top.